A new wave of heavy rainfall has taken hold of Turkey's Black Sea region, triggering floods and landslides in several settlements. Several cars swept away in the province of Sinop's Ayanc-1K district, while several houses collapsed due to the havoc caused by heavy rains. Noting that there is no casualty so far, Ayanc-1K Mayor Haretin Kaya stated that the rescue efforts for the stranded residents in various parts of the city were ongoing. In the province of Bart1N, floodwaters inundated a large number of houses and businesses after severe precipitation late on August 10. Part of a road connecting the province to Maqribah collapsed, while bulldozers waded through floodwaters to save 20 people trapped in their houses. In the province of Kastamonu, sudden and heavy rainfall disrupted daily life, flooding basements of buildings and trapping people inside their houses and their cars. A sudden landslide forced the closure of a road connecting Kastamonu city center to the Zero Nabolu district. Subscribe to the channel and keep abreast of natural changes on the planet.